Alex. Guys, sorry, medyo namamantal ako Lately, sobrang lagi akong pinapantal. I don't know why. Or maybe kasi medyo malamok na. New ID, hello. The gift and you. Ano ba? Sorry. Thank you. OMG. Why? Something happened for the very first time with you. Nico, hello. Eto, mahirap to. Looking round, thinking I'm going crazy. Mali pala. But I don't care what they say. I'm in love with you. But they don't know the truth. Guys, ayoko kumanta ng masyado. Baka kasi maganda kayo sa boses. Keep reading, keep bleeding in love. Pagpapahapyaw lang. Hi, King. Del, hello. Bleeding in love. Like the voice. Thank you, Papa. Clover. Amazing sounds fill my ears. May sayaw. Tumambling. Wala. Hindi kasi dancer ang host. Sorry na. Kung na-disappoint kita. Okay, mag-alala. Magda-dance class ako para next time makakasayaw na ako. But everyone around me thinks that I'm going crazy. Baby, baby. But I don't care what they say. I'm in love with you. They don't know the truth. Next song tayo, guys, para medyo corny to. Kim Domingo. Malapit ako maniwala sa inyo. Lagi nyo sinasabi sa akin yun. Pag ako naniwala, mahirap tong tanggalin. Sure. Feel calm. Tazahama. Talaga, I get that a lot. Si Jackie. Si Jackie medyo nakikita ko pa. Pero si Kim Domingo, te, baka, nananaginip ka. Sure. Dance step pa lang. ID number. Ano tabi? 54. Interesting. No, that I want and then Jao, yup, hello. Gusto ko sumasayo tayo, tapos yun lang yung step. Dalawa lang. Kaya umaalis ang mga tao eh. Ganda ni Rihanna pala dati. I think tinanaw din ang fresh lang siya dati pala. Hi, Oblox! PP Master. Hi, Rico. Maybe, hello. Maybe this time it will be love. They'll find. Maybe now they can be more. Piglet, hello. Omni, hi. I wasn't born last night. Jumbo, hello. Guys, 2 stars yun na ako. Malapit na to. Onting kanta na lang. Fair Oz, hello. P, hello. Dat, hello. Hi, P. Turtle. Hi, Turtle. Jack Daniels. Nothing for... Parang ang taba ko, no? Ako lang ba? Yung face ko sobrang fat. Seven, hello. Dot, hello. Sino si Dot? Wait lang guys, Hindi siya pwede i-top. MGP, hello. Kamsahamnida. Harry Boy, hello. Franklin. Namimili kayo? Hindi ko namimili, hindi ko nakikita. Jack, hello. Hi, Ken. Tasuko. Armpit. Yan kami. Hi, Kim. ID number. Heidi. Di naliligo. Sure. John. Hi, John. May PK ba? Wala akong PK. Hindi ako nagpa-set ng PK kasi wala akong spender. Ayoko matalo. Kaya mag-live-live naman tayo. 54. Hello, 54. Yo, hello. I wanna show you. Oh, love that pink. This one. Rockefeller. I have 2 tats. 444 and a heart. Jay, hello Jay. Night. Alfred. Calvin, hello. Takuya. Faker. 444. Yeah, it's an... Hala! Thank you so much, Jay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you so much. I'm gonna follow you. You're so kind naman. Grabe naman. Pinakutan niya ako. Thank you. Umalis na siya, but thank you so much. 444 means guardian angel. Rock boys, thank you. Ano siya? Guardian angel, protection, ganun. Angel number siya. Yay! 3 stars tayo. Maka 5 stars kaya ang perso. Javra! Mag-thank you tayo. Wait lang. Alright. Thor, hello Thor. Stargate. Ang sakit ng tummy ko. Ki, hello Ki. Okay, bye for now. Prefer me guys. Oh, stay safe. Ingat ka. Take care. Bye. Thank you, Simply Me. Ethan, hello. ID number. Oo nga, nabasa ko. Tapos ikaw nandyan ako, hindi mo nababasa. Parang ngayon ka lang nag-comment. Ngayon ko lang nakita. Nice meeting you, actually. Thank you, Simply Me. Hala, Jay, thank you so much. Bakit kayo ganyan? Thank you. Thank you, Jay. Di ko kasi angle tong left eh. Kaya di ako kumikiss dun eh. Ito lang ang angle ko. Grabe naman ang mga person. Nakala ko di ako makaka-3 stores. Grabe naman. VD, hi VD. Bessel. Better be like or not. I wanna show you. Chris, hello Chris. Lucky Man, hello. Nikki, hi. Ate, nag-work ka? Yeah. Kalasag, hello. Laron. I'll show you. Zirfluke, hi. Excuse me, guys. Clarence, Clover, hello. Jidwick, hi. Is it natural po? Ang alin. Halo-halo kasi yun. Char. Joke lang. Shunyi, hello. Anton. Lester. Better they like it not. Ano? Hiroshi, Jesus. Hello, Jesus. Chloe, hello po. Pogi boy. Gusto naman kayo, guys? Kaya pa ba today? Gising pa ba kayo? Parang tulog na yung mga kausap ko eh. Hindi nyo na ako pinakausap. Takuya, hello. X-Vlog. Ay, masarap na tulog ng mga dear bubbles ko. Hat, ma'am. Thank you. Yeah. Vance, hello. Kyla. Cappuccino. Yakult. Girl, you know Jaya, hello. Try, hello. Girl, you know Days, birthdays. Kyla, Dot, hello. Wakela, Savi. Yung netong sagot. I wish I have one. Sam Ryang, hello. Girl, girl, you just go. Hi, Nix. Ian, hello. Faye, hello. Spinner. Friendly Aya. Opo. Pwede po. Thank you, Jay. Sayang. Okay pa. Okay pa. Like it. You like it. Sayang. Lindy, hello. Thank you po. Ki, hello. Roy, hello. Tama, hello. Charlie, why you said you wish you have one? Because I wish. Ayaw mo ba nun? Eh, wini-wish ko nga eh. Evil eye ka naman eh. Char. Bawal ba mag-wish? Na meron. Mac, hello. John, hello. Marky. You like it bad, baby, know you like it bad. Sarang hair. Char. Hi, Lord Bagel. Matt, hello. You mean you don't have? Yeah, I don't have one. That's why I said I wish I have one. Gets? Angel, hello. Pobre ko, hi. Ray, hello. Mansa, hello. Balot. Iceman. Sakuya, hello. Hi, Paul. Two, three. Nice on my face, so I know you like it bad. You like it bad, better know you like it bad, so you like it bad. Guys, wala kayo request na kanta? Heartbeat. What time is it there? 1:40. Oh, you're not from the Philippines, Jay. It's already 1:43 a.m. Thank you, your smile. guys. Follow nyo ako. Oh, where are you from, Jay? Ping Guerrero, hi. Dato Kalo. It's quite late though. I know, right? Well, I need to reach my quota so I can sleep well, Char. Guess where I'm from? Okay. Pag ito tama, Jay. But you're Pinoy, right? Because you can understand me. You're from Canada. Good guess ba? Well, I put my country in the... Wait. Okay, another try. Hindi ka kasi pwede pindutin eh. Oh, kunyari, oh, you don't understand. I'm sorry. You're from Indonesia. I didn't look at your profile, ha? I just, guess. Joke. Trohan, hello. What time is it in Indonesia na ba? Hi, Chatman. Lol. Parang small difference lang Philippines and Indonesia eh. Check your DM later. Alright. AM? 12:43 AM? Okay. Yeah, because it's super near lang to each other. Ano ba yan? Gabi naman ang English ko. Talagang for the go. Char. You're from Indonesia? Yeah, I'm from Indonesia. Char. Joke. You got good English, by the way. Yeah, I study hard for you to understand me. Richard from it. Got me to say you must not know about me. You must not know about me. I can have another day in a minute. Matter of fact, here. How old are you? Guess my age. And you'll have a prize. What do you think of my age? Do I look young, old, or what? 24? I'm not. I'm 22. F1, hello. But they say I look 18. 19? Hell no. You look mature enough. Really? I look young kaya. Huwag niyo nga akong in-eme. Mukha akong bagetsu. Otsu, hello. JP. Yeah, I have IG. Yung username ko. But cute. Thank you, Jay. I know, right? In a way. In a way, I'm pretty, not cute. Cute and pretty. Is that okay? Ang taas ng ere ng host. Sobrang GGSS. Full of herself. I can have another in a minute. Ay, maliban. Yan kasi hindi na alam yung lyrics eh. Na you are cute. Grabe, no daw. I'm not beautiful daw. Sabi ni Jay. Thank you, Anthony. So cute that I wanna pinch you. Ako na magpipinch. Pinch yung sarili. Sabi, OA. Okay, fine. I believe you na. You don't have to pinch me. I know I'm cute. Super cute. Very, very cute. Charot. I'm not. I'm 22 nga. Alfred, hello. Hopang. Bien, hello. GR. Guys, what if maglaro kayo ng yung mystery box? She's fluently talk, but only for those good with respect. Yeah. You notice that? It's true. Papa Talks, hello. Summer. You can watch me pull up on your body like it's summer. Wala pa pala. Sogi po. Excited po sa lyrics. Yung kasi yung step na ni sa TikTok. Harvey, hello. ID number. Tagal naman ng tagal naman ng chorus. For you. Thank you, Conejo. Kasabi ko lang yan eh. It's true. For you. Brands, hello. Kinda. Pero kakabili ko lang. I don't know what you've been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you. Sean, hello. Wayne, hello. Team, hi, dear. Kevin. Ba't puro ganun? Bakit puro ganun? Kanoy. Phantom. For you, for you. Richie. Hi sa God mo. For you. Yes. Yes. Shiro, hi. Guys, baka magpa-summer, baby. Shoutout. Joke lang. Party on you. Thank you, Richie. Thank you so much. Party on you. Party on you. Mystery box. Hello. Nakakabis naman maka-receive ng mystery box. I wanna be your favorite boy. True that, hello. Ano ba yun? Hello din. Maxi, hello. Fifth Element, Coldplay. Hi, guys. How are you today? Very beautiful. Thank you, Richie. Boss D, hello. Angry Bird. Dami-miss ko na ang mystery box mo. Mystery box ba yun? Yung manalo ka. Baka ipakita mo ulit sa akin. Besito. Ano yung besito? Last night, so I went to the club. Bubble Dragon yun. Hindi. Yung mystery. Yung naggagagano. Di ba mystery yun? Kasi hindi mo naman nasa loob. Lee James, hello. Ken, hello. What if